The good old Ned rig. What's up, guys? Josh here, SoCal Bassin. Today we're going to talk about the good old Ned rig. Which one do I like to use? I like to use the TRB. I think this is a 2.5 inch TRD. I like to pair that up with the just a 1/4 ounce Ned rig head. And how you rig them, what I like to do is you find the middle, turn it around, and just keep feeding it through till about the length of the shaft of your hook. Just like that. Straighten them out. Get them all nice and juicy. Anyhow, it's a Ned rig. I like to fish a lot of the darker colors on the Ned rigs. The pumpkin and the black and red speckle. June bug color gets her done. Those are some baits that I use when it's a little slow and the good old swim baits aren't doing it. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below. Catch you on the next one.